Okay, here we have the mixer with a bracket attached to the tank. The mixer now is running at a very slow speed because the tank is empty. The mixer should be run at high speed when the tank is full of product. If you run it dry, the shaft may bend. So please don't do that. Make sure that the product is inside before you run at high speed. Low speed is fine. All right. So that's a view without the cover. Now we'll put the cover on. And that's the way it goes. Now the cover is on, and you're ready to mix. Alright, the cover opens, and this is charging port and the view port at the same time. Alright, and this is the bracket that holds the motor, very steady. And the air hose is attached right now. And the brass valve that you see there now is the speed control valve. Alright, thank you.